In this video, you will learn the secret color grading technique in Photoshop. Coming up. Hi everyone, I am HarshVardhan. Let's learn the secret color grading technique in Photoshop. Go to the adjustments, select the curves adjustment and come over here on this option auto. But before you press auto, press alt or option and press this auto option. This would open up this dialog box. Here you need to select the enhance per channel and you need to come over here on the shadows. Just click over it and that would open up the color picker dialog, and over here you can select any color. For this purpose I'm going to select this dark green, something like this, and press OK. And then I will come on the highlights. I'll click on the highlight and choose the color something like this, which is a yellow, dark yellow, and I will press OK. Thereafter I will press OK and it's going to ask you, would you want to set it as default color? If you press yes, next time you will open up the curves, you will see this kind of a color grading automatically applied. So you can see we have easily color graded this image. If you want, you can always lower down its opacity from here to lower down the effect. And since we have set the default color, so you can go and create a new adjustment, curves adjustment, and this time again if you press alt or option and click on the auto option, the color grading which we have lastly selected would automatically be applied. But if you want to change it, just change the color to something else like this one and press OK and press OK. Again it's going to ask you, would you like to save this as default setting? You can press yes or you can press no. If you want to quickly apply, you can press yes, or if you don't want to quickly apply this color grading technique or settings, then press no. You can even save this preset by going over here on this hamburger menu and select the save curves preset and then save it. I have already saved it. You can download this from the link in the description section below, absolutely free. So this is how you can quickly color grade any image in Adobe Photoshop, and this is a secret technique. I have applied the same technique on this image as well. You can see the curves automatically apply and it saves you a lot more time and it gives you the professional result. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next episode. If you're watching this on IGTV or Instagram, please do follow me, and if you're watching this on YouTube, please consider subscribing. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next episode.